राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी ने बहुत पहले कहा था, चाहे बांग्लादेश हो चाहे कहीं हो, वहाँ अगर हमारे अल्पसंख्यक भाई सिख हिंदू वहाँ अल्पसंख्यक में की रक्षा करने के लिए जो भी कदम सरकार उठाए उसके साथ हम लोग घटिया राजनीति भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए नहीं की तरह नहीं करते हैं।
ये है हमारे देश को जहाँ पर इस्कॉन के एक प्रीस्ट है, क्योंकि वो हिंदू प्रीस्ट थे और उनको डिटेन कर लिया गया है। और उसकी
नहीं, किसी भी देश में इस तरह की भावना नहीं पैदा होनी चाहिए। हर स्वतंत्रता है, जब हमारा देश हम सेकुलर मानते हैं तो हमारे देश में जिस तरह की स्वतंत्रता है, दूसरे देश में अगर इस तरह का हो रहा है तो भारत सरकार देखेगी। इसमें विपक्ष की पार्टी के लोग क्या देख सकते हैं? सरकार देखे, भारत सरकार।
Bharat Sarkar has already reacted. As far as the BJP now is concerned, they have slammed Bangladesh interim government for committing atrocities against Hindus.
बांग्लादेश में हिंदू समाज के ऊपर जो अत्याचार हो रहा है और वो सन्यासी ने इसका विरोध किया, नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं, इसलिए उनका ऊपर जबरदस्ती हो रही है। वो कहाँ है, किस स्थिति में है, किसी को मालूम नहीं है। इस प्रकार से वहाँ संख्यालघुओं को दबाने के प्रयास हो रही है।
आज हम लोग को मालूम है कि मोहम्मद यूनिस का नेतृत्व में आज बांग्लादेश का नया सरकार बना, हम नहीं बोलेंगे, लेकिन उन्हीं का नेतृत्व में अभी वही उन्हीं का नेतृत्व है। और अभी ये जो हिंदुओं को मारना, पीटना, घर जला देना, जो अत्याचार जो हो रहे, और ये पहली बार नहीं, धमकाने के लिए और डराने के लिए और हिंदुओं का मुंह बंद करने के लिए आज बांग्लादेश पुलिस ब्रह्मचारी चिन्मय कृष्ण दास को आज उठा के अरेस्ट करके लेके गए।
All right, these are the concerns that are now being raised by the leaders within the country. Remember, already when it comes to the government of India has already issued a statement over the concerns that have been raised with multiple targeted attacks on Hindus in particular, on minorities there, that have gone up in the recent times, in the recent months. And this is now been the latest development with the ISKCON priest Chinmoy Krishna Das, who was earlier arrested on the 25th of November when he was produced before the Chittagong court like a criminal, and his bail plea that has now been rejected has now led to even more outrage over the part of the people there in ISKCON, as they say that the movement will continue even when it comes to such targeted attacks that have been taking place against Hindus in particular in Bangladesh. The Ministry of External Affairs here in India has also expressed his deep concern over the arrest of Chinmoy Krishna Das, highlighting the incidents where against the Hindus and minorities in Bangladesh, the MEA has criticized the denial of bail to the monk. Now, what did the monk say before as far as his arrest here is concerned, even when it comes to these developments, and how vocal his opinion and voice has been against targeted attacks on Hindus? Let's listen in.
আবেগকে শক্তিতে পরিণত করে শান্তিপূর্ণ আন্দোলন করবেন এবং আমাদের 8 দফা দাবি মৌলিক দাবি, এটা অযৌক্তিক দাবি নয়, এটা পরিপূরণ না হওয়া পর্যন্ত আপনারা আন্দোলন চালাবেন। কিন্তু দয়া করে রাষ্ট্রের স্থিতিশীলতা এবং পরস্পরের সৌহার্দ্যপূর্ণ অবস্থান এটাকে গুরুত্ব প্রদান করবেন, এটা আমি আপনাদের সবার কাছে আশা করছি।
Right, Rishabh, because it was being anticipated as such kind of voice that he has been, and he has been going to places there when it comes to raising the issues of targeted attacks on Hindus. Now that we are looking at back home, even the leaders here in India have raised a concern of what's happening with the monk in Bangladesh.
Well, definitely. External Affairs Ministry has issued a very stern statement, Amita, where they have said that India has noted with concern the situation of minorities in Bangladesh, and India goes on to say that it is, really upset that how the perpetrators of atrocities against minorities have not been punished, while the voice of minority rights is being punished in Bangladesh. Apart from that, if we talk about other leaders as well, be it leaders from West Bengal, including Shubhendu Adhikari and others, to leaders like Akhilesh Yadav, here in Parliament, many leaders have now showed concern about situation in Bangladesh. The way things have unfolded in Bangladesh since August, since the interim government has taken over when the Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina, was forcefully ousted from the power, the way atrocities against minorities have been unleashed, the violence against minorities have been unleashed, and that we saw last night as well when people protesting against the arrest of Chinmay Prabhu was attacked by the youth wing of BNP, as reported in Bangladesh. So the way things have happened in Bangladesh is something
so
that
after multiple appeals and protests, bail has been denied to the monk there in Bangladesh. India, on its part, has now raised deep concerns over the priest's arrest, saying that minority rights must be ensured as India raises concern over Bangladesh violence, especially when it comes to targeted attacks on Hindus and other religious minorities. Thank you very much, Rishabh, for joining in. This is a big story as we get you multiple reactions. You're watching Times Now. Back after a short break.